Welcome back to our channel once again. So now today part 8. Yesterday we gone through part 7. Those who did not watch it, please go through it. Now competitive exam special 8th part Polyset TS 2019. Today trigonometry once again plays crucial role with this problem. So now if A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to P and A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Q, then which of the following conditions is true? So don't be panicked by seeing the question. It may be different for the present syllabus of SSC. This is out of, but it plays important role in the intermediate also. So this type of problems are called eliminating theta. Eliminating theta problems. Because in the given option there is no theta, our acute angle theta. Okay, let us go through it now. So please be careful and watch the video completely to get the best knowledge. Don't skip. Okay, so solution follows. So P is given, Q is given. Okay, so now if you observe carefully with the ABCD 4 options, okay, all the here A, B, P and Q are the squares. So with that also you can go through squaring on both sides. At the same time here you have sin theta and cos theta are the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so there itself you can suppose that we can do squaring on both sides. And next adding. Why adding? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So now consider P is equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta. So squaring on both sides, now I can say that A square is equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta the whole square. Okay, so just like our x plus y whole square. So A plus B whole square, A square, A cos theta the whole square. Okay, plus B square, B sin theta the whole square. Okay, plus 2AB plus 2 A cos theta into B sin theta. So this implies now I can write here P square is equal to A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so that is nothing but P square expression. So mark as equation 1, later we will consider. Next Q is equal to. So also now Q is equal to A sin theta minus B cos theta. So similarly squaring on both sides we can generalize what we are going to get. Okay, let us write directly now. So similarly I am writing directly Q square is equal to A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. So A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. So minus 2AB sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So half of the major part has been completed. So let us mark the equation numbers for our convenience. So squaring on both sides. We get or we have. Okay, so this is nothing but our equation 1 and this is equation our 2. So adding 1 and 2. Why to add? Why not to subtract? Nothing but we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So that's why we should add our equations. So now adding, by adding we are going to get now, this implies P square plus Q square is equal to, now P square is nothing but this one. So A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta. Okay. Plus 2AB sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta. So this is nothing but our p square plus q square. Now I am writing q square. So nothing but q square is here a square sin square theta. So a square sin square theta plus here b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. If you observe carefully here, this is q square and this is p square. So this has been eliminated. So this implies now I can write here p square plus q square. Since it is combined examination level, we are going through the direct steps. Please listen carefully. Okay. So nothing but here, if you observe carefully, a square and a square here, we can take as a square as common here and here. Next step here, b square we can take common. So a square if I take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. And here b square cos square theta and this one. So b square if you are going to take commons, again sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we know that its value is always 1. So always 1. Now I can write here p square plus q square is equal to a square into 1 plus b square into 1. So finally I can write now p square plus q square is equal to a square plus b square. So this is the final expression. If you observe carefully, theta has been eliminated. Okay, it's gone in the middle by doing some arithmetic operations. Okay, and this is our adding 1 comma 2 we get. So that's why it is said to be our eliminating theta problem. Okay, so if you observe carefully, our option falls under p square plus q square is equal to a square plus b square. A option. If you like, then only please like it. Okay, so do the first part. Next similarly, because since it is completed examinations, okay, we have to go through it carefully. Once you have the total look, so stay tuned here and here. See you in the next video session.